how to open any app with side button to double press on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. So you will see advanced features is here, so click on advanced features. Now here, so click on side button. So after click on side button, you will select long press and double press. So click on double press. So after click on double press, click on apps. So after click on apps, so if you want to open any apps with the side button to double press, so you will select app from here. For example, click on clock. So after click on clock, go back and double press, double click on side button, you will see clock app is open. So go back and click on apps and click on Facebook. Go back and double click on side button, you will see Facebook is open. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can open any app with side button to double press on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.